Today's class I am going to discuss about swap to content by using addition and subtraction operation. We have different possibilities to swap the content by using XOR operation or addition and subtraction operation or concatenation operation. So in this video I focus swap the content by using addition and subtraction. So let's move on to the session. So before swap, A variable content is 10, B variable content is 20. So I need to swap these two variable content. So let me add first A and B value. So A equal to A plus B. A value is 10, B value is 20. So after addition you will get the result 30. So this 30 is stored in A variable. Then B equal to A minus B. So it's a step 1. So first step, A equal to A plus B. So A value is 10, B value is 20. Just you add these two content, you will get the result 30. This 30 is stored in A. Then B equal to A minus B. It's a second step. So now A content is 30. B content is 20. So 30 minus 20, the result is 10. This 10 is stored in B variable. So now B equal to 10. Third step, A equal to A minus B. So A value 30. Now B value 10. So 30 minus 10, result is 20. This 20 is moved to A. Now A value is 20. So before swap, A value is 10, B value is 20. So after swap, B is 10, A is 20. So here I just swap the content between A and B by using addition and subtraction. So this procedure is implemented in a Verilog HDL code. So now I am going to write the Verilog HDL code for this swap by using addition and subtraction. As usual, you write module, then module name swap underscore addition and subtraction. So module followed by module name. So module name is swap underscore addition and subtraction. Now I declare the variables. So A and B variables. So these two variables are considered 8-bit values. These two variables considered as 8-bit values. So range 7 down to 0 A comma B. So these two variables are consist of 8-bit values. Then initial, begin. I initialize the variable values. So A equal to A tick D 10, B equal to A tick D 20. So this 8 represent 8-bit value, D represent decimal. So this 20 is the assigning value for this B. So now I am using one statement $display. So before swap, what is the value stored in A and B that I show on the display. So $display before swap A equal to percentage D, B equal to percentage D, A comma B. So before swap, whatever value stored in A and whatever value stored in B, that show in the monitor by using this statement. So first step, I add these two variable content. So A equal to A plus B. So now A value is 10, B value is 20. So after addition, you will get 30. So this 30 is stored in A variable. Then step 2, B equal to A minus B. So first I swap the value B. So B equal to A minus B. So A value is 30, B value is 20. After subtraction you will get the result 10. So this 10 is move on to B. Then A equal to A minus B. So A value is 30. Now B value is 10. So 30 minus 10, the result is 20. This 20 is move on to A. So before swap, A is 10, B is 20. So after swap, A value is 20, B value is 10. Then swapping value I display on the monitor by using the statement $display. After swap, A equal to percentage B, B equal to percentage B, A comma B. Then end module. This is the simple program to swap the content by using addition and subtraction. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.